So in our last our session, I told you that I have to provide a training to the organization level. So on the 15th May, I have given the training to the organization level that was related to like Microsoft Intune basic level, 100 level. More than 20 people were in my session.
Hmm.
So that was good. It's a very big achievement for me. That first time I have given the presentation front of uh, the 20%. Uh, so
Very good.
I
So great.
yeah.
Applaud for you, Rohit. Very good. Very good. So coming from that background, that you were not able to remember the first PPT, you were not able to present. You thought that you will not be able to do, and now. So what is the feedback of your project manager or the leader who said to give her this training?
So that my manager, as I told you, so first you didn't discuss me the presentation, so you need to first discuss with me what topic you need to give. Then
Okay.
I showed her the PPT. Then she said, "Okay, yeah, good PPT." And the feedback I got from the team, the that was the good,
Very good.
and yeah, uh,
Superb. Superb. So this it's a great achievement, Rohit, because
200,
yeah.
yeah. So in
So
22 May, I have to give 200 level training. So it's
okay. Okay.
20 people. I
Very
have
good,
to.
very good. Superb, superb, superb. So this is how slowly and gradually you grow, right? So thanks for sharing. It's a great achievement.
So it's all thanks to you because I mean I follow your instruction. You told me to record yourself in Zoom, so I recorded myself and find what where I am stuck and what mistake I am doing.
Hmm.
So like that, I have practiced
Very good.
3 to 4 times, and then I mean I was confident. Okay, now I can present.
Wow, awesome, awesome, Rohit. Thank you for sharing, and it's a great achievement. So everybody, please give a round of applause, a virtual round of applause for Rohit, because every hard work, every small effort. Thank you, Shiva. So every
Thank you.
small effort of yours matter a lot, right? So thanks for sharing this, Rohit.